LEGO has offered us so many fantastic collabs throughout the years. Star Wars, Minecraft, Harry Potter, Fortnite. But there's one thing they haven't collabed with. Plants. Well, not those. And not those either. I didn't even know they made those. We've made plants out of Legos, but we haven't made Legos out of plants. And that's what we're going to try and be tackling today. We're going to be using bioplastics, specifically cellulose, to try and mold them into Legos. So let's get started in the lab. We're going to start off by mixing our carboxymethyl cellulose powder with water. And as you can see, it's already starting to thicken up quite a bit. Then we're going to add some red food coloring. The more we mix our material, the more stiff and thick it's going to continue to get.
Would be a good time to try to...
It's very strange consistency, but it's kind of cool at the same time. The one thing I'm thinking about is whether we should add more of the material to make it harden more, but I think in the meantime, and before we try that, we'll just try putting it in the mold and seeing if it works, okay?
Our goal here is to mimic ABS plastic, which is what Legos are made out of. They're stiff, impact resistant, yet also perfect for injection molding. So here we're working on a second trial. We're gonna add some glycerin for this, and this will help it act more like a plastic. And when we took our Legos out of the mold, we were pleasantly surprised with how well they had shaped, but this worked better than expected. So we left it to dry in a dehydrator over the weekend, and... Okay, so the mold made our plastic a bit too thin, and then when it dried, it shrank. So we're gonna retry that without the bottom part of the mold, and we're just gonna use cellulose and glycerin, no water. So here we have Conrad pressing it down. It was so much more stiff this time, so we were definitely hitting that resistance goal. And the end product worked so much better. Like, it actually looked like a piece of Lego. We were so happy with it. They didn't quite work with each other because it didn't have that bottom part, but they did work with other pieces of Lego. So we sort of hit our goal, and we were very happy with the end product. Ultimately, a success.